Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Trump price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and starting on the 1 hour chart here. As we have expected the latest video, we said of course in the last video that we are going to move higher from here soon or later, and of course this was our blue box where it was perfectly hit of course here for the 16.5 and yeah, moving for higher and looking of course at an unfolding contracting diagonal here as possible wave 1, guys. So we're looking here at this contracting diagonal right now, which is 5 waves toward the upside. You're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, and this is a wave 1, 2 and then 3, 4, 5, probably of course moving for higher prices. So let's label this 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 probably, and if of course this is an impulse unfolding because we have a leading diagonal here. Yeah, so very nice. The prediction has worked very well for this one. After of course we were looking for a little bit lower and hitting the perfect blue box. We have finished a wave B in the blue scenario here, and also a wave A, B, C as well in the magenta scenario. So both scenarios are finished here, where we are looking probably at A, B, and a C toward the upside, where the data, of course, that we have before was deleted. But yeah, taking the things from here, of course, 0.618 is a perfect fib level taken from the start to the end here. And of course, showing a potential of a wave C toward the upside. So basically now the targets might be, of course, in case that we are moving for higher, we are of course looking for 1-to-1 fib level, but we cannot very clearly give now the fib level before we get of course confirmation of a wave 1, 2. Of course, you know, this is 5 waves, this is the first phase, 5 waves up, 3 waves down. Continuation would be of course the phase 3 as confirmation for your bullish scenario. And in that case, of course, we probably, in case we are looking for a wave 2 somewhere here, we're targeting $25 for wave 3 first, right? And then moving for higher later on. So basically, this can be considered as your wave 1 for your wave C, meaning your scenario here that we are looking for is a wave C, of course. If we take now the target from a wave A to a wave C here, we are looking, of course, probably for a regular flat in a wave C here, which is probably, did I choose right? I don't think so. Here we go. Yeah. Wave C at, okay, $189 for the Trump coin, probably in a regular flat. Let me check, is it without logarithmic chart? Does that look okay? Without logarithmic chart is gonna be $91. So let me put this as not logarithmic fib first. Here we go. Yeah, and yeah, so $91 would be perfect. Yeah, so I prefer always to hit, of course, the linear fib levels, and if we see higher, then I will move to logarithmic fib levels as usual. Yeah, so basically in a logarithmic you want to hit 189, but basically $91 would be a good target, of course, at the beginning. Want to A, B, and a C. Now, this scenario, as you know, this is related to the not like with the deleted data. Okay, so we only analyze this chart, yeah, which is of course it doesn't have a lot of history, but of course 3 ways up it's already corrective, meaning we're looking for WXY or for a regular flat, very easy. But yeah, if we go back to the deleted data before as well, as you can see, the fib level for a wave 4 were perfectly respected at 0.38. So I would say this 1, 2 here, 3, 4, and a 5 is still working because this fib level is taken exactly from this wave 2 and from the top here, and we have retraced perfectly on the 0.38 as well. And before at the 0.23, our prediction was here for wave A. It was perfectly hit as well and retraced. and then moving toward the downside, and now we are retracing from the 0.38. So I believe that these deleted data still exist, still mean something here. So I'm gonna keep it, I'm gonna watch it still, and of course remind you what it might happen in both case scenarios. Yeah, so here we are, of course, we're looking for the 0.618 as well. It worked perfectly with this move towards the upside. So we're gonna see, currently we're looking for higher. If we are in bullish scenario, more than this, I mean more than just a leading diagonal, if we go to the 15-minute chart, well, it's not easy to say. It's not easy because, as you can see, there is no very clear scenarios for bullish here. I mean for impulse, yeah, to say this is 1 2 1 2 and then 3 4 5 4 5 for higher, right? So but this will appear actually in the next price action. If we see higher prices directly, then of course I would say, yeah, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. To get, by the way, let's get a signal for this. Here we go. So the key factor for this is the following. Your wave 5 anyway should hit this those fib level between the $20 yeah, but not 21. If we reach the 21, you have to switch directly to 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 directly. These are our key factors. Then we are looking for a wave 1 to be finished in between the $20. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.